Hey, Divine One, I want to invite you to my Embodied Being Retreat 2023. In May, I'm gathering with a powerful group of souls who have been investing in their own inner child work and their own reparenting skills, healing their inner trauma, who are ready to step into their highest level of consciousness, who are ready to cultivate deep inner joy, lasting peace, the ability to transform all of the harsh energies into the energies of their dreams and creating seriously new realities for themselves. If you've been following me for a while, or if you're just ready and on this journey, waiting for that next thing that's going to propel you into your next level of consciousness, check the link in my bio. Come with us to the Embodied Being Retreat 2023. It's going to be under the Taurus full moon. It's going to be so powerful. You're going to leave a whole new person. You're going to leave jumping into the highest timeline that you can experience during this shift. And I'm so excited to walk you through it. We're going to be doing a 3-day juice cleanse. We're going to be using plant medicine to open up all of our senses, doing some deep yin yoga, sinking into ourselves through guided meditation and breath work. I hope you'll join me, and you also get a free set of the Inner Child Oracle cards when you attend. So jump on, jump in, and let's do some deep inner healing together. Hope to see you there. Talk soon.